Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges internationally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial aspects. Swipe tokens interface with significant installments frameworks internationally and assist organizations with switching their digital currency over completely to stable coins or fiat finance cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance-savvy chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with an expect to make crypto interoperability with conventional money, and it was subsequently obtained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has mostly three parts. First and foremost, the primary organization which creates charge cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so on. Also, Binance, the primary partners collaborated to bring improvements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and finally its clients. Market feelings and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a most extreme inventory of $239,612,084 SXP. The most exorbitant cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized examination shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign development, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. Specialized investigation of Swipe. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value skips and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September. 7 is the dull day of the crypto market. The whole digital money market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following prompt opposition level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an obstruction level of $2.35. The significant opposition obstacle for the year is $3.52. Momentary specialized examination shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the $1.80 opposition level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2-3 territory, according to examination. $3.52 is going about as a significant opposition level to enroll another high of Swipe. Yet it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave gigantic benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the force soon. The cost of Swipe is moving underneath its 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA dread and ravenousness file is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital money aficionados or don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized pointers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the impending meetings, however isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative file strength is set at 37, which is unbiased. The cost neither shows the purchase Swipe signal nor does it demonstrate the sell signal. Quick help is set at $2.31. And significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized examination isn't showing a separate underneath the significant help zone, and a transcend opposition levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. Shows that the token is a wonderful long-haul speculation decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.15 by 2027. In the event that dealers put resources into the coin today for a considerable length of time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. The Swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment. as indicated by the past value developments and information. The most extreme cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. The crypto market is very developing, and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from now on. It can arrive at a greatest value level of $12.68 continuously 2027, while the typical cost is supposed to be $11. The swipe cost conjecture for what's to come is extremely bullish. In the event that the coin can break huge mental opposition levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another untouched high. It is a success and an extraordinary digital currency accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, constantly finishing itself in the event that worldwide prompts are in favor. Dealers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an unavoidable piece of the crypto space for financial backers who will face challenges. SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe Value Forecast 2022. The SXP gauge for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 in the first place. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The greatest cost for the year end is estimated to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment radically in the year 2022 according to the conjecture. In this manner, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe Value Expectation 2023. SXP cost expectation shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a most extreme scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the gauge, the SXP cost is positive for the year. On the off chance that the cryptographic money market is bullish, swipe can break the greatest cost around the same time. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. Our figure shows that swipe will break the $5.56 obstruction level and make a record-breaking high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous merchants might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated manner, and our SXP token figures show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the least cost of the coin in 2024. SXP Value Gauge 2025. 5 years down the line, colossal turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a tremendous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our conjectures show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul venture. SXP Value Forecast 2026. Specialized arrangement shows the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $7.23 minus $8.95, constantly finishing. Swipe has a long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality upgrades to offer better support and benefits for all the stage clients. Swipe, according to the ongoing valuation, is underestimated and will have a decent climb as long as possible. Is swipe a wise speculation? Indeed, swipe is a productive speculation choice.